What's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We back with another banger this morning, guys. Today is Friday, May 23rd, guys. It is 5:44 a.m. Look at it. It is 5:44 a.m. Oh yeah, you see that? You see these stop limits right here, sell limits. Oh yeah, guys, that means that we are in another trade, man. Had a good trade yesterday. I seen another setup this morning, and I'm like, I gotta take a chance, man. So I'm getting ready to show you guys where we're at, what I'm thinking, and if it play out, it play out. If it don't, it don't. I'm okay with it. This line right here is a 1 to 5. That means if on the Apex I'm risking 180 bucks, if my take profit would be up here somewhere. I'm looking for a $900 to $1,000 trade on this take profit trader. I'm doing, instead of 3 micros, Apex is 3 micros, take profit trader is 2 micros. That means it's a $120 trade because I only have 1,500 drawdown. This is a 2,500 drawdown, so that makes much more sense. This looks really good to me. So we're just gonna, you know what I'm saying, just hang around, chill out. I'm getting ready to go in at 6 a.m. Getting ready to read my word, pray and stuff, and then get ready to head into work, man, and get this stuff done, and then come right back outside, man, and chill for the day. So we are in a live trade, guys. We in there. Let's look at this trade. This thing was up almost 800. It was almost up 80 some dollars, and it's all the way back down. But we're gonna stay in this trade. This thing has to stop us out, guys. We in this. If it stop us out, it's okay. I'll keep you guys posted, man. Update. It's 11:30 a.m. 5 hours later, y'all, man. 5 hours and 30 minutes later. We got a holiday Monday coming up. And I just had a bunch of work to do, man. I wasn't able to come to the truck and record or go outside and record because I'm trying to hurry up, get everything done. I'm done now, so now we done and to the truck. I end up losing that trade, guys, man. I'm going to tell you why. So, you know, the market had just been playing around, man. About an hour later, this right here, guys. This right here, I was paying attention to that. It did not hit my 1-to-1 yet. I'm so petty, but it's barely off. I have to do this. It's barely off my 1-to-1. So I decided not to move my stop loss to break even. So I was just going to hold the trade. So, you know, this is the 5 minutes. So 15 minutes later, this red candle right here. This red little candle right here. When I saw the market coming back down, I'm like, nah, I'm out, man. And I got out with a loss on this Apex account. I got a loss of $82.02. And on my Take Profit Trader account, if we go up here, I end up losing 55 bucks. So not a big deal, man. But had I held my trade and I did trust the strategy. I trusted, you know what I'm saying, that the market potentially wanted to go up. It's just I didn't know about my entry. My entry that I wanted to get in was down here. I wanted it to touch this white line or this right here. This demand zone right there. I wanted the market, I was being petty, but I wanted the market to touch it. It didn't touch it, but I should have got in right there. But nevertheless, when I saw the market starting to come back down, I thought the market was going to touch this line and then come back and touch this the bottom of my red zone and then take off. Everything lined up. Everything to me says that the market wants to continue up, man, because we touched this liquid zone and then the market just kept playing around that. We're creating a consolidation, a wedge, and then boom. I knew it. I knew the market was going to do it, man, but my butt cheeks got tight and I got scared and nervous. I got out of the trade. As soon as I got out of the trade and closed the phone, I saw the market right here. The next time that I open up the phone is this red candle right there, guys. When I opened up the phone, that's when I saw the market. I said, you son of a joker, man. I'm like, man, dang it. So this is how I manage my intraday trailing drawdown, guys. So I'm gonna give you step by step how I do this. So this is a 1-to-1. The green shaded area is what I look for once the market get past that. So this candle right here, you saw it passed my 1-to-1. So once it passed my 1-to-1, guess what? I officially put my stop loss at break even. I can come out of the trade with this is a risk-free trade. I just have to watch my trailing drawdown. Now it hasn't hit my 1-to-2 yet. This blue line right here is a 1-to-2. This blue line right here is a 1-to-3, and this top blue line is a 1-to-4. This is how I manage it. Every time I'm in a trade, I make sure I do this, that way I can keep up with it. So you see the market came back down. It did not hit a 1-to-2 yet, so I didn't move my stop loss to a 1-to-1 yet. So it came back down about halfway and then took back off. Now once it hits a 1-to-2, now I move my stop loss. Once it hits a 1-to-3, I'm just trailing it, guys. Once it hit a 1-to-2, I then move my stop loss to a 1-to-1. That means if the market decides to come stop me out, I've came out of the market with money. Now the market moved to a 1-to-3. That means now I move my 1-to-1. I move my stop loss from a 1-to-1 to a 1-to-2. That means I come out the market double my money. I would have got stopped out at a 1-to-2. So I would have came out of this trade on both accounts at a 1-to-2 because I'm trailing. I'm trying to trail this this intraday trailing drawdown the best way I can. That's what works for me. So had we got out of this trade at a 1-to-2, I would have made $360 with this Apex account because I'm risking $180. With this Take Profit Trader, I'm risking $120, which is 2 micros. That would have been $240. This is 3 micros. That's 2 micros because of the drawdown. Take Profit Trader 25K funded account is $1,500 in drawdown. Apex 50K account, the Apex 50K account funded is $2,500 in drawdown. So I think I did a pretty good job of doing that, man. We just lost a little bit of money today. No big deal, man. Show you guys again. We lost $55 and we lost $82.02, guys. Not a big deal, man. But guys, I'm getting ready to show you something else. This is how I keep up with my trailing drawdown, guys. If we go to Intraday, let me log into my Intraday account right quick and then I'll show you guys. All right, guys, we logged into my Apex 50K funded Intraday account. Now look, guys, now I don't trade with Intraday. I don't even know how to get them EMAs off, but nevertheless, it's been so long. I just keep up with this. So as you guys can see, we are in Intraday.com. Let's click on this. This is my Apex funded account. You saw the amount. We lost $82.02. That was the same thing on TradingView. That's where the account is now. But this right here, guys, this is so important. So how I did this, guys, I went to this little corner right here. No, I didn't do that. I went to this little tab right here. I click plus and I scroll up until I see accounts on the right hand side, accounts. Then what I do is click on that and then it'll give me this, and then only thing I do is just drag it out. That way I can see my trailing drawdown, the drawdown of what I can't let the account get to, and of course the name of the account and stuff, man. This is so important, guys. This is why I love having if I do intraday trailing drawdown prop firms, the only ones I use is Apex, Traderify, and Take Profit Trader. I only use those 3. The important thing is, guys, is to make sure you are monitoring, make sure you are keeping tabs on your intraday drawdown, man. If I use a prop firm that has intraday drawdown, it has to be through Intraday because it is. There's other prop firms that, you know what I'm saying, have intraday drawdown, but I don't know if they have this. I see prop firms like there's other prop firms they use like Project X. They use other platforms, Volumetrica and stuff like that. I don't know if those platforms use this. I just like Intraday because I'm so used to it, and that's what I pay attention to, man. This is so helpful, guys. This is my Apex account, but you also see my trailing intraday drawdown. This is how I manage and I monitor this joker, because I've blown a 25K take profit trader funded account because I wasn't paying attention and didn't manage my trailing drawdown. Now I'm making sure, man, I trade the way I trade. I monitor that joker 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, it don't matter. And then I monitor it over here as well, man. This is Apex. Let me log out and go into my take profit trader account now. All right, guys, we are now logged into my take profit trader 25K pro funded account. Waiting for everything to load up. As you can see, we're in Intraday.com. We're going to click on this little tab over here. You see that we lost the $55 in trading view, and that's where we have the account at now. And you see the trailing drawdown, guys. This is so important. Look again, guys, go to accounts and then this will come up, man. This is so important to have this, guys, in order to monitor your trades if it's intraday, man. A lot of people don't know about this, so I'm showing you guys how I do it, because they'll be up, you know what I'm saying, and then let the trade come all the way back down to break even. They'll do that so many times and then wonder why when they go take a trade, you know what I'm saying, or they get an email that the account is blown, is because they're not keeping up with this. This is so important. I would advise anybody that has a intraday trailing drawdown prop firm account, use this. This is perfect right here, guys. This is why this is so important to have, so you can monitor this joker, man. So yeah, man, no big deal today, man. Small L, but we'll come back better next week, man. I've held trades like that before, but I like to monitor that intraday trailing drawdown very close, man, because that's how I blew my 25K pro take profit trader pro funded account last time, not paying attention to my trailing drawdown, man. You know, I kept wanting to hold trades for so long, and I don't, unless you're risking big and you going big or go home, you YOLOing these funded accounts with take profit trader or any intraday trailing drawdown prop firm, unless you just aiming for the sky, like you gotta monitor it like that, man. If not, man, I don't know, man. That's how I end up messing myself up, by not monitoring this joker, man. I did not monitor it properly, and I end up blowing the count due to trailing drawdown, not the account hitting my low balance. I blew it due to intraday trailing drawdown. I didn't manage it well. I'd be up $400 and then let it come all the way and stop me out. So I lost $400. I really only lost $200, but because I didn't take those profits, I lost $400, and then it came all the way to my stop loss. That's another $200, and then now I thought, you know what I'm saying, I've been knowing this, but not managing it right. I only lost $200, but I lost $600 in intraday drawdown because I didn't take any of those gains. It's very important to have that and pay attention to that, man. It's all good, man. That's the video, guys. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey, the phone trader, got coming out, man. Until next time, guys. Hey, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all see that camera over there I showed you guys earlier? Woo! I'm excited about that. We're going to play around with that. No longer recording from the phone. We're going to record from that. And then we're going to edit from the phone still, man. We doing it big over here, man. Corey, the phone trader channel. Corey, the cell phone entrepreneur, is coming to a town near you soon, man. Yeah. I'm going to show you guys how to do everything from the phone. Hey, man, I trade from the phone. I clock in from my 9-to-5 job from the phone. I make money and clock in from my second job doing Spark from the phone. I edit from my phone. I pay bills from the phone. We do everything from the cell phone. These jokers right here, you can do everything from, man. Sooner or later, it's going to come, man. Deuce, blessings, love y'all. Until next time, man. Y'all stay tuned in. Y'all stay humble. Y'all stay blessed. Make sure you give God the praise, God the honor, and God the glory, man. If you don't, he wants your undivided attention, man, so he can bless you, man. Love y'all. Peace. I'll holla.